Turnkey automotive service opportunity, prime Plano location. Exceptional opportunity to acquire a fully operational automotive service facility in the heart of Plano's established commercial district. Conveniently located near the highly traveled U.S. Highway 75 and President George Bush Turnpike, SH 190, this location benefits from outstanding accessibility, visibility, and a strong surrounding business community. The facility features a professional office area, customer reception space, multiple service bays with vehicle lifts, equipment areas, storage rooms, employee break area, and ample parking. The layout is designed for efficient workflow and can support a variety of automotive service operations. This is an excellent opportunity for an owner-operator, expanding automotive company, specialty repair shop, performance center, or automotive entrepreneur seeking a ready-to-operate location. Existing operational setup may significantly reduce startup time and upfront investment for the next operator. The property offers a rare combination of established infrastructure, functional shop layout, and strategic location within one